Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at what the basic SMS functionalities on Keepsales are, and then what they basically are is that they provide a sort of like a template that you can use to send specific SMS messages to your customers. Okay, so now these are some of the examples, the various basic SMS functionalities. Okay, now in this video we will be looking at the birthday SMS to customers into brackets automatic functionality. Okay, so let's click on that and see what that is all about. Okay, so let's read what is over there. It says that customized birthday wishes will be automatically sent on your behalf via SMS to your customers when it's their birthday. Now this removes the manual effort of remembering to do it yourself. Your customers will love you even more when they know you can remember their birthdays. These messages are automatically sent between the times of 4 a.m. and 11 a.m. So basically, what it's trying to say is that with the birthday SMS to customers and bracket automatic SMS functionality, okay, now the software will automatically send birthday messages to your customers on your behalf. Okay, within at the time 4 a.m. Okay, between the time of 4 a.m. and then 11 a.m. Okay, so you would actually have to activate this over here. It's already activated, but usually by default, okay, it's inactive. So you click on the toggle button and then it activates it. Okay, so now we have what we call the custom message over here. Now let's read what that is about. So it says, now the percentage, this symbol, okay, will be automatically replaced by the name of your business. And then the hashtag will be automatically replaced with the name of the customer. Okay, so there's a sample message here. Let's read it. Okay, it says from all of us at percentage. So the percentage, like I said, will be replaced by the name of your business. So let's say your business is called Emerald, or let's say your business called whatever name that you decide to give it. From all of us at the business name. Okay, so you put in the the percentage symbol over there, and then we continue say we wish your birthday will be defined by love and happiness. We hope that you will be graced with the strength to accomplish all that you aspire in your days ahead. Happy birthday hashtag. Now the hashtag is going to be for the name of the customer. So if you decide to craft something yourself, you have to use these symbols. The percentage is going to be your business name. So you don't have to type your business name yourself. You just have to put that symbol over there, and then for if you're going to use a customer's name, okay, you just put in the hashtag over there. Okay, so this is going to be very beneficial if you are going to send messages to a lot of customers who are celebrating their birthday, you know at the same in the same day. Okay, if they are celebrating their birthdays in the same day, okay, the system using these symbols, okay, especially the hashtag, is able to send it to pick all their names, okay, replace their names for you, and then send it to all of them at once. Okay, so once you've done that, you just click on save changes, okay, and then it will save that for you. Now the catch here is that you must have a records of your customers in your database. So when you click on the main menu and then you come to customers and loyalty, okay, there's a portion for my customers, okay, and even adding your new customers. So let's go check it out. We have a whole video on how to add new customers, okay, so you can go check that video out and learn how to do that. Okay, so now this contains a list of all my customers, and then their birthdays. Okay, so you can add a new customer if you want to. You can make changes to their birthdays and all. So once you activate this particular functionality, okay, the birthday SMS to customers, okay, it's going to send out these messages to the people on your behalf. So even if you've forgotten to do that, once you have activated this, automatically the system will remember your customers' birthdays for you. Okay, so this is a great feature. I know you love it. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We have more of these videos available for you. We have other videos talking about the other basic SMS functionality, so do well to check them all out. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.